Robot system integration and robot system applications. Small blue diamond keycap 1 Robot system integration. Robot system integration is the process of combining robotic hardware, software, and peripherals into a unified system that works seamlessly in real-world environments. Key elements of integration. Mechanical integration, mounting robots, end effectors, grippers, welders, and fixtures. Electrical integration, connecting sensors, actuators, and controllers. Ensuring power supply and signal integrity. Software integration, programming robots for tasks. Linking robots to other systems like PLCs, vision systems, or IoT platforms. Safety systems, adding emergency stop buttons, safety light curtains, and collision detection. Testing and validation, running simulations and real-world tests to validate performance. Small blue diamond keycap 2 Robot system applications. Robots are applied across industries for diverse tasks. Industrial applications. Application. Description. Robot face welding. Arc welding, spot welding. Package material handling. Pick and place, palletizing. Paintbrush painting. Automotive and furniture industries. Hammer and wrench assembly. Electronics, automotive parts, service applications. Application. Description. Hospital healthcare. Surgical robots, e.g. Da Vinci, rehabilitation. House domestic. Cleaning robots, lawn mowers. Delivery truck logistics. Warehouse automation, AGVs, AMRs. Emerging applications. Application. Description. Sheaf of rice agriculture. Crop monitoring, harvesting. Rocket space exploration. Autonomous rovers and satellites. Test tube research. Laboratory automation systems. Pushpin example, smart factory integration. A robotic arm integrated with vision system eye for part identification. Conveyor belt system counterclockwise arrows button for material handling. Cloud software cloud for monitoring and predictive maintenance.